So I'm Mate. I am the CTO of TradeLocker.
Hi, my name is Mate. I'm an SRE lead in TradeLocker.
TradeLocker is a CFD trading platform, which means Forex, indexes, metals, trading US stocks, any stocks from around the world. And basically we as a trading platform, we sit between the broker and the market. We rolled out with a couple of brokers and it was working fine. And then other brokers has started noticing our platform and wanted the same. And this exploded pretty fast, which had a lot of demand on our resources because us as a trading platform, we can't afford any single downtime. Even a second of downtime means some trades are not processing, which means somebody's losing money. We started with Equinix with our own servers. Then we couldn't scale fast enough. We pretty soon moved to AWS, where we continued to scale, but we didn't have any visibility into the cost. We saw at the end of the month what was the total bill, where can we see and where can we optimize it. And this is where we found that DoiT can help us.
We use DCI console on a daily basis. We are actually creating the budgets. We follow the budgets. We follow the alerts. The main, I would say, gain that we saw was tagging the resources and seeing how can we do reports based on the resource itself. The culture of the company was taking ownership of the cost. When you don't have any FinOps team, the teams themselves need to follow up.
Knowing our AWS cost is a great start, but the story doesn't end there. We have a lot of other different tools that we are using. Okay, AWS might be the biggest one. It's not the only one. So having all of these costs in one place that we can track over time is really crucial for us.
The main idea behind using the DataHub was we were trying to come up and see what is the cost of every tool that we are currently using on TradeLocker. So this was regarding the AWS, the OpenAI, the other tools like Project Manager, like Jira, Slack, or anything else. And what we were trying to achieve in the end was what is the cost per user that we are now having on our platform. So we were trying to find out the indirect costs, the direct costs, which are rising by the number of users. So the end goal was trying to see what is the cost per user that we now currently have on our platform. And basically DataHub actually helped with this a lot.
I would say for somebody considering using DoiT. Basically, from what we saw is the tool pays itself. We had some costs before we started working with DoiT. Those costs were reduced. Everything, our visibility improved, cost for our infrastructure improved. I just see benefits